Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how I did Tsuyu Asui from the anime My Hero Academia. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do is put on my wig cap. So that my hair is not in the way. Alright, now I'm going to use this foundation. It is the Revlon Color Stay Makeup Foundation in the shade Ivory. And using a makeup sponge, I'm going to put it on it and then apply it on my face. Start with the cheeks. And on the chin. On the nose. On the forehead. Alright, the next thing I'm going to use is this concealer. This is the Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer. And it's in the shade of Fair. And I'm going to put it underneath my eyes. Like this. And then using the makeup sponge, I'm going to blend it in like this. Blend it in really well. Next thing I'm going to use is this foundation powder. It's the Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation Powder in the shade Porcelain. And I'm going to put it all over my face to seal in the foundation and the concealer. Alright, next thing I'm going to use is this base primer. This is the LA Girl Pro Prep HD Color Correcting Face Primer. And I'm going to put it on my upper lids. Rub it in really well. Next thing I'm going to use is this eyeshadow palette. This is the Sonia Kashuk eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use the lightest shade, which is this one right here. And using an eyeshadow brush, I'm going to put it on both my upper eyelids. Next thing I'm going to use is this liquid eyeliner. This is the Maybelline New York Tattoo Studio ink pen, and I'm going to put it on my upper and lower eyelids. Like this, and I'm going to extend it a little more. And then I'm going to draw 3 lashes. Like this. Next thing I'm going to use is this mascara. This is the MAC Volume Flash Waterproof Mascara, and it is the color black. And I'm going to apply it on my upper and lower eyelashes. Like this. Alright, next thing I'm going to use is this bronzer. This is the Wet n Wild Color Icon Bronzer, and it's the brown color. Looks like this. And using a blush brush, I'm going to apply it on the lower half of my face, like this, to give the illusion of a roundish face. Finally, I'm going to use this face makeup palette. This is the Spirit palette. I got it from Spirit Halloween. These are the cool colors. And I'm going to use this green color to color my eyebrows. So both of Tsuyu Asui's eyebrows, well, in the anime they are black, but since I want to match the color of my wig, I'm going to use the green color. And I'm going to apply it on both my eyebrows. So using the same concealer from earlier, just this one, the Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer in the shade Fair, I'm going to apply it on what I don't want seen. Now I'm going to put on my wig and my costume. I'll be right back. I'm back and I am in my costume. This is my training uniform and I'm going to put my wig on now. This is my Tsuyu Asui wig. And I'm gonna put on the extra piece that goes on the back of the wig. Like this. That's how you do Tsuyu Asui from My Hero Academia. Have a good day, everyone. Bye.